So we're back now. Again, the technical glitches. So we had to end that part one, and we were continuing our talk about how miracles happen. And Rahul Sharma was here, who was telling us and who was explaining that we need that unwavering. If you want the miracles to happen, if you want that things that are almost impossible to happen, for that we need our unwavering faith in things to turn up for us. So there was some technical glitch from his side. He tried his best, and most probably he should be here within a few seconds or maybe a minute. So truly our join please. You're invited. Thank God. Yes, you are here.
Okay, so
Making the miracles happen, right?
yes, yes, yes. So I hope I'm audible, right?
Yes, you are.
Great.
So
So
the
here we are
unwavering
again.
faith, the seed.
Yeah,
So when you were not here, I was just talking about that how we need to sow the seed of our intention, and that we need to be very, very strong in our intent while we are sowing that seed. Is that right?
yes,
I was
true,
telling
true.
them that this is my learning in my life, that whenever we want to get anything done, we need to have that very powerful intent behind things getting it done, and then not worry about how things are happening. Let the universe do its own work.
True, true. Universe will give us what we want. No, this is the wrong statement. Universe will give us what we are, who we are. If you know who you are, you need to dig deep who you are. Then you become what you are, and then you
Mm.
will be given what you want again, what you wanted earlier. So if you keep walking on that path, like as I mentioned, the example of you want to become an engineer, you have filled that form, you are in the first year, ultimately you are in the process of becoming an engineer. So people will start calling you engineer or a writer or what a doctor or an actor or whatever you are. So you get what you are, not what you want. But what you want is the first step you take. So please
And when we
take the
start
first step.
walking towards the path, it already is a miracle.
Yes, yes. So miracles, they happen while you are walking. If you
Hmm.
wait again, as I share the story which we got off due to some technical issues, like कि वो वेट करता है कि मुझे कोई पार करवाएगा, भगवान आएगा पार करवाएगा, भगवान लास्ट में ही उसने वेट किया, रात तक वेट किया, तो रात को उसे पत्थर लगता है सर पर, तो उसने कहा कौन मर रहा है, तो ऊपर से आती है आवाज, उसने कहा भगवान उससे मैंने इतनी तपस्या की, इतना तुझे प्यार किया और तू मुझे पत्थर मार रहा है और तू तो आए नहीं, मैं अब तक यहाँ बैठा हूँ, तो ऊपर से आवाज आती है कि पागल, जो मैंने भेजी वो कौन थे, वो मैं तो था, मेरा आने का तरीके अलग हैं, तो यू नीड टू फाइंड दैट आई, यू नीड टू हैव दोज आईज, यू कैन लुक, दिस इज द यूनिवर्स हु इज ट्राइंग टू हेल्प यू. ओके, तो ये नहीं है कि अगर आपको बनना है तो मतलब वो कोई और ही आएगा, he or she can be the assistant, right? तो ये miracles जो
Yeah,
होते हैं ये.
I yes, it's regarding the miracles only. Sometimes हम लोग बहुत strong कोई एक intent रखते हैं और हम
Mm-hmm.
we're doing everything to make that happen, but things just don't work. I feel that too is sometimes a miracle because maybe later on we realize that that thing that we were actually wanting to happen were not for our highest good, or they were not actually taking us to the bigger intent, the bigger desire where we should have reached. Probably they become hurdles later on, and we don't recognize at that time. So sometimes when things are not happening, they too are a miracle. Am I right?
Yes.
Like I have started
Uh,
believing it now.
Sometimes we have this habit of asking material things. The first question we should be asking, who am I? What is my true purpose? Once you know your true gift, your true purpose, you will be asking the right things. For example,
Hmm.
if I'm a kid and being a kid, I love reading, writing. If you take me to anything, any game, I would love that. Okay, मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. Once I found out that मेरा interest is in playing football, right? So what I would be needing? I would be needing only things related to football. So in the future, I will not be asking anything, right? So once I'm very much aware, things would be easier. So be you, find yourself, discover your calling, who you are. Because we are here, we have a unique gifts, we have a unique purpose. Once we have unique purpose, once we walk on it, लोग आएंगे, हमें right mentor मिलेगा, right teacher मिलेगा. If you ask about O. Henry, if you talk about the great authors, Abraham Lincoln, the great leaders, if you talk about Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, they were in different work earlier. Once they get to know their real who they are, right? So Charles Dickens, who lost his love, he was so saddened by the loss, he started pouring out his heart into writing, express himself into writing. वो होना जरूरी था. That was a miracle. That we need a point जहाँ पर we start utilizing our true potential. अगर वो नहीं होता, तो he would not be expressing himself, finding the other half, the real him, right? तो miracles कब होते हैं, ये भी एक important point है. वो जब होते हैं जब हम वहां होते उस पॉइंट पे होते हैं जहां हमें कोई रास्ता नहीं दिखता है. Where we cry, we seek for real help, right?
We surrender when we surrender.
Yes, we surrender to Almighty. कि अब आप दिखाओ, मैं थक गया हूं मैं. The world has failed. Now you need to guide me. And we by default we have unwavering faith. By default, it's by default. And then we have seen miracles happen.
True.
I,
We've really heard stories about the
नहीं,
चीजें
I will
तोड़नी
share.
शुरू कर देते हैं in
If
desperation, in
you
that state, when totally we're desperate and we surrender
Yes,
कि अब
yes.
जो
If
होना
I
है बस. हाँ.
Yeah, if I tell my story of my mother, 10 years back, more than 12, in 2009, my mother got last stage cancer. It
Hmm.
was uh, shocking news, right? And we visited Apollo Hospital, one of the renowned hospital in India, and they mentioned, "Beta ले जाओ, एक हफ्ता है इनके पास. So why spend your money, energy, and all that, right?"
When
So
did this happen? How many years back?
uh, November 2009.
November 20,
Okay.
2009.
No. Yeah. So it happened, and again, my brother, my family was shocked. कि ठीक है, again. But again, we have this pledge. We shall try. We shall try all our ways. So we got her admitted in Apollo Hospital, and I went to that Raki healing temple. We have uh, uh, area of Raki healers. Went up to them. कि we need emergency healing for my mother, and I started myself healing as well.
Hmm.
So again, doctors mentioned she has only 1 week to live because the infection has spread in her body. And guess what? In 1 week, uh, they mentioned within 2 3 days that she has been healed inside somehow, and we are happy to operate. But again, she might be there for 1 more month. So, okay, you
Mm.
you do your thing, we will do our thing.
Mm.
Again, as I mentioned, we are following science as well. Like we are getting operated under as per doctors say, and we are following the things like using Reiki, faith, everything. It's been now more than like 12, 13 years we have
That's
seen, and
what.
she's alive. She's
And
cancer
at
free.
and at that time, the doctor said only 1 week left.
1 week, and after that, even they mentioned she might leave 1 month, 6 months, and it's now. And after that, I have been got interviewed in various channels, various newspapers at that time, and it happened. And I got a lot of calls from all over India about the thing happened. So it's possible. And again, this year in the Fab itself, she was again admitted in hospital. Um, it was again a very rare disease, PSCS. So doctor mentioned we never know when she would recover. Maybe 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. We had no idea at all. And she was unconscious. So I remember what I did last 10 years back, 12 years back. So I started praying. I started doing sending healing, and my brother started chanting Hanuman mantras. He never did. He never did. He never did in his life. He was an atheist, but he started doing the chanting of Hanuman Chalisa. I started Reiki healing again, healing Reiki, and we started praying. And within a week, we started meeting right people. We got right people from Toastmasters, beyond them, NGOs coming to help us. And how within a week, doctor got an idea. Okay, let me change the medicine, and it worked. Within a week, 10 days, she was back to action, and doctor called it a miracle. उसने कहा कि ये
So,
बेटा
so you mean like आपने रेकी का नाम लिया है ना और आपने chanting का नाम लिया. So what about Reiki healing that heals? Like what element does it have, or what is it about Reiki that it heals
okay,
people?
okay. I will go little in depth. If you go back, रैकी हीलिंग है ये जो हमारे गौतम बुद्ध थे वहां से मिली है. इवन जिन्होंने रैकी की खोज की है, ही केम टू इंडिया, ही डिस्कवर्ड इन द शास्त्रास कि ये कहीं ना कहीं इट इज रिलेटेड टू हिंदुइज्म.
Sorry.
वहां पर हम लोग आशीर्वाद देते हैं, जीती रहो, लाइक दैट. तो हीलिंग जो रेस है वो हमारे हैंड से आती है, एंड ये
That's so
बहुत ही
true.
एंशिएंट आर्ट है, एंशिएंट आर्ट है. So I will go in detail. We all are made up of atoms, right? We all are made of atoms. And atoms, they have different energies: light energy, sound energy, magnetic field. They have heat energy, right? So we all are emanating different energies at different times, at different frequency. तो हमारे आसपास एक ऑरा बन जाता है, and we have unique
True.
auras. Okay, so if I say कि मेरे हाथ में यहाँ पर दर्द है, so if I go in detail कि मेरे हाथ क्या है, एटम से बना हुआ है. If you go by doctor's term, we have cells. Okay, we have cells. Cells के अंदर if you go in detail, we have atoms, right? Molecules, atoms. So every atom जो यहाँ पर है वो एक different एनर्जी एमिनेट कर रहा है. तो इसके आसपास जो एनर्जी है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, आपकी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, आपकी थर्मल एनर्जी है, वो यहाँ पर है. तो उससे आपका ऑरा है बाहर जो बन रहा है. ओके,
Mm.
तो यहाँ पर
Mm.
एक वी टेक मेडिसिन.
Mm.
ओके, वी टेक द पिल्स, और वो जाके अंदर हीलिंग करती है. वो उस पार्टिकुलर सेल को हील करती है, उसको उसको ठीक करती है, राइट? सो इफ रैकीज वर्क इज द डिफरेंट, वो ये करती है, वो बाहर से रेज देती है. इट गिव्स यू एनर्जी फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, और वो वहां से इस एरिया पे उस एनर्जी को डालती है. वो एनर्जी से वो एटम, वो मॉलिक्यूल, वो सेल हील होता है बाय डिफॉल्ट. इट्स अ रिवर्स प्रोसेस. इन दिस वे इट हील्स द आउटर लेयर, आउटर बॉडी. वी कॉल इट एथरिक बॉडी. उसको
So
हील
it
कर
is
देती है.
basically what they call it energy healing. That's why they call
Yes,
it energy, because
yes, yes,
we're healing the energy system first, and then this energy changes uh, the physical condition of our body.
yes, 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 yes.
That's how it works. While medicine, the internal medicine that we're taking, जब भी कोई बीमारी होती है, हम कुछ खाते हैं, वो मेडिसिन से अंदर से ठीक होना शुरू होता है और फिर बाहर की एनर्जी ठीक होती है. But this is
Yes.
just the opposite. But
Reverse.
but ये करने का भी that's like a pill, that's a physical form. Generally the medicines, that is the physical form that we take in. So with Reiki or different ways of energy healing, what is that pill? We can't see, nobody gives any pill there, but what is that unseen pill, if we talk about it? Once again,
Very apt question.
hmm,
Yeah, very apt question. The pill. The pill is again. There can be some capsules we have. Like, okay, give me a capsule जो फटाफट काम करे. That works only for short duration. Like if you think, okay, I need healing for Lucky, and you will be healed for a while. Like एक हफ्ते दो हफ्ते you will be healed, and you will again be happy, healthy. But after that, you have the habits, it will come again. It will resurface again. So, how you can help yourself is the habits. Habit of meditating. The first thing, the first pill, the habit of meditating. Take out minimum 1 to 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes a day is more than enough. If you can go, you can have 10, 15 minutes. That's okay. 2 minutes a day will give you enough energy the whole day. Even within 21 days or 40 days, you will be able to find who you are. You will get the signals from the universe if you ask for it. Again, you need to ask for it. Okay. So you will also start seeing the symbols, number 111, 777, 111, 1211. These are the signals. Universe will tell, yeah, I am listening to you and you need to listen to me what I'm trying to give you back. So the first pill is the meditation. Have it for 1 to 2 minutes a day. Minimum 1 to 2 minutes is more than enough, and you can go on with like 10 to 15 minutes a day.
or maybe more also.
Again,
Depends.
again, you can have 1 hour, 2 hours.
Like
Again,
I
it's
just
all about.
completed my level 1 Reiki.
Okay.
So I've been advised to practice meditation every day for 1.5 hours for 21 days. And I think it's superb. It's like, only with this kind of intent and focused energy does my energy start working and flowing in the right way. That's my like personal experience with this kind of intent. 21 days, 1.5 घंटा बैठना है, meditation करना है, healing पे ही ध्यान देना है. That kind of makes my intent strong as well. Plus, it is also making my body elements changing. It started flowing freely. Like जैसे habitual हो जाते हैं ज़्यादा. So now, the moment I join my hands, I start feeling that it started flowing.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes. So
Yeah,
it's also about the habits, right?
yeah,
How strongly and firmly are we deeply rooted the in our habits of meditation?
true, true. That is one of the channels we have again
Hmm.
magnified healing, we have theta healing, and the power of prayers, thought healing. And again, if you are in circle with positive people who are positive, you feel positive energy. That's again a kind of healing. Like you
That's
are
so true.
attending session, you are also in a circle of positive people, and it
That's
is
very
again a
true.
part of healing. कहते हैं कि सत्संग का फर्क पड़ता है जैसी संगत वैसी रंगत तो जैसे इन हिंदी
Bilkul,
तो इट मैटर्स अ लॉट
bilkul. So the first pill is meditation, making it a habit, right?
यस यस
And the second one is what I believe is focus and that intent.
यस हैव
Strong,
आई
strong,
आई पुट
firmly.
इट I put it you should have a resolution जो भी आपको करना है whatever you want
Resolution.
to achieve कि I will do it for 21 days, 40 days, and that is very important to continue for like 21 days, 40 days, or 2 months.
ये रेजोल्यूशन को हम
So
हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? There's a word for it, right?
yeah, there's a word for it.
अभी नहीं आ रहा यार. But yes, there's a word. संकल्प. So हमारी
संकल्प.
संकल्प शक्ति बहुत स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए.
Yes. क्योंकि यही है जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है, बिकॉज मे बी आफ्टर 10 days यू माइट हैव प्रॉब्लम लाइक आज लेट हो गए तो ऑफिस जाना है तो कैसे करना, तो यू हैव टू बी कि मुझे करना है, आई डोंट नो, मे बी ऑफिस में करना पड़ेगा, एंड यू हैव दैट दिस डीप थॉट इन योर हेड, you will find a way, you will wake up early in the morning, you plan accordingly, अपने आप होगा वो, it will happen automatically. You need to have that firm belief कि I will do it no matter what. So I started again my sessions of uh, doing meditations. So what I did, I will do it for 40 days. Whatever happened. And बीच में headaches थे, बीच में I got backaches, I got fever. जो भी हो जाए, I will do it. Whatever happened. I continue doing and आसान हो गया. ये भी एक टेस्ट होता है. It's a test for you. Universe will test you. Before giving you any gift, he or she will again, I don't know, it test you. ओके कि ये बच्चा रेडी है, ये रेडी है, ठीक है, ओके लेट गिव हिम और
How
गिव हर द
strong you
गिफ्ट.
are. How strong you are.
हाउ स्ट्रांग यू आर, हाउ स्ट्रांग यू आर, so how you have a faith, then how, what resolve you have taken, are you working on it, you should have that patience and perseverance as well. मुझे भी चाहिए,
I
have that faith,
sometimes feel
कितना
that
कम
this
चाहिए.
happens also because जो blockages, those subconscious blockages that we have, जो हमारे अंदर है, हमें खुद को ही नहीं मालूम है, तो यूनिवर्स किसी ना किसी तरह से उसको काटने की कोशिश करती है. Because जब भी हम कोई सीड सो करते हैं, उसमें ये क्लैरिटी होनी भी बहुत जरूरी है. वही.
यस
यस.
यस यस. तो उसके लिए क्या है कि अभी ना जस्ट आई यू गेट मैसेज व्हेन यू मेडिटेट, अगेन व्हेन यू आर मेडिटेटिंग पर्सन, यू गेट सर्टन मैसेजेस. तो मुझे अभी कुछ टाइम पहले मैसेज आया था, बी ओपन, I am talking to you, but in a different way. Listen to everyone. So I have started observing what someone is like. If I'm walking on a road, कोई कुछ कह रहा है तो I would listen to that person. Okay, इसने क्या कहा? This is for me, and they are talking to someone else. So you get these messages. They are for you. So if you are intuitive, attentive, you can absorb those messages, apply in your life. So and universe has different ways. Again, as I mentioned, universe खुद नहीं बोलेगा, वो लोगों से ही बोलेगा. Maybe through trees, through animals. Again, if you are very intuitive, again you can understand, you can decipher the messages you are receiving. This is your journey. You are here on a very unique purpose. Before we take birth, we decide a unique purpose. I request to read the book Many Lives, Many Masters by Dr. Brian Weiss. Highly recommend that book. This book will change your perspective towards what we are. I'm an engineer, still talking about this uh, beyond science thing. And I believe I have seen various miracles in my life through people, through beautiful souls helping, coming forward, and different their capacities, and I've seen they are possible. So believe in the miracles, they happen for you, and life is happening for you. The only thing is, the first thing I would like to share my experiences. I keep a diary with me. I write my goals here. I don't know where you can uh, just. I keep diaries and I write goals. I'll just share a few goals I have written and I have achieved them. Just wait. And uh, goals, write the goals with the dates. I have written dates as well. You can achieve the goals, and these goals are again they were beyond me when I wrote them. And when I
I think
see
this is a
reflect
wonderful
back,
practice of
yeah,
journaling our thoughts, our thoughts, and also, whatever we're aspiring or wishing to happen.
yes,
I have this habit of doing it, and suddenly, after a year or two, or maybe, after a few months or days, suddenly when I'm just browsing through that diary, or wherever the notes I had written, and suddenly I realized that ये तो हो भी चुका है, ये मैं कभी चाहती
Yes,
भी थी, ऐसा मैं
yes,
चाहती थी कि ऐसा हो मेरे साथ, और ये हो भी चुका है. So,
yes,
and it's, it's a very nice way of understanding how life happens to you, how life or so-called miracles also, they happen.
miracle. Yes, true, true.
This is
So this
one
is
way of
very,
seeing that
yes,
God in disguise, the story that you were telling us.
yes.
One way of seeing that God.
One way of seeing. Once you have written your goals, I highly recommend make your contrast list. Contrast list is what you don't want,
Oh, that's
right? What you
interesting.
don't want. This is
Oh,
very important. I will
that's
just
very,
share
very
my
interesting.
I think if you can see here my contrast form with the date. Write what you don't want. Make two columns,
Mm-hmm.
column A, column B, column A, what you don't want in your personal life, professional life, in your career, in your whatever. I don't want this, I hate this, whatever. Write everything.
But
Pour out
yes,
your
that's.
heart, whatever.
Hmm.
And then once you are done, take and again, your minimum list should have 50 points, minimum 50 points.
50
minimum 50
of
points.
what you don't want in life, right?
What you don't want. Yes. Write everything you have, what is
And I'm
troubling you.
sure, things that we want would be much lesser then.
No, no. Yes, yes, exactly. This is the way to find
It goes
who
this
you
way.
are.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And then once you are done with it,
Hmm.
you will be amazed. Oh my God, what I do not want because okay, मुझे boss नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ये काम नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. No, what you don't want, it will take a week, maybe 2 weeks. Okay, what's the hurry? Take your time. उसके बाद once you are done, like take a week, 10 days, a month, write everything you have got. उसके
Hmm.
बाद you need to make the column B. What you don't want, okay, cut it. Now what do you want? Like example, मुझे एंड्रॉयड फोन नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, तो मुझे क्या
Okay.
चाहिए?
Now,
आई वुड लाइक टू हैव एन आईफोन. तो कट दैट लाइन. मुझे क्या नहीं चाहिए, तो काट दो उसे, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल काट दो. यू कैन नॉट सी इट अगेन. व्हाट यू वांट? आई वुड लव टू हैव एन आईफोन. ओके.
I okay. Cut
मुझे
that. I don't want an
कट इट.
Android. I just want a iPhone. That's it.
आईफोन. हाँ.
Hmm.
बिकॉज व्हेन यू राइट यू हैव डीप थॉट. ओके, मुझे क्या नहीं चाहिए. लाइक मुझे currently I'm working in a company. I want to start my own startup. तो मुझे कहना चाहिए मुझे कंपनी में काम नहीं करना है. कंपनी में काम क्यों नहीं करना है? Ask why. Because मैं 95 मैं 95 9 to 5 जॉब नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. I don't want this job. Okay. I don't want a 9 to 5 job. This is the real thought you have. Okay. Ask why. Then what do you want? I would love to have my own thing, my own startup, my own vision, my own NGO. Okay. Cut it. This way. I
That
I
that
hate.
sounds interesting. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So that's how you go on and you have that list, right?
Perfect. Totally enjoyed the session. Whatever you had explained. Very interesting and useful things, especially this point-wise journaling. This is very, very interesting. I'm gonna do it tonight only before I sleep. एक और चीज मैं करना चाहती हूँ आज सबके साथ यहाँ पर. Like, of course, I'm sure you're gonna experiment on me. A small meditation, uh, जिसमें it's about you're sending messages and hitting it here with the number, guessing the number. It's the best miraculous practice that I've seen. Would you like to do that meditation? You can explain it to others.
Yeah, yeah. I have tried with the kids. You need to be a kid again. Again, this is it works once you
You
are a
need to
kid.
be
You need to
okay.
be kid. Like okay, this
Hmm.
is a game, just a game. गलत होगा तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. That's okay. It's not
Of course.
life. Do or die. So once you have that faith, ठीक है, let me enjoy. So this is possible. And because earlier we used to the saint used to converse through telepathy. Okay, because
Telepathy, yes, that
yeah,
too, it's
they
like
don't
a
have all.
miracle.
Yeah, it's, but it is a general thing for them, right? So it's a general thing. You don't take it too seriously. It's general thing. So do you want to try?
That's what
How?
I
Like,
suggested.
okay, so how are you gonna try?
That's a difficult thing. Doing it on a virtual platform is
Yes,
difficult,
yes, yes,
yes.
yes, 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 yes.
So I can close my eyes
And then how do
and
we know the number is correct? Okay, okay, I will try. Let's try
you can
one.
just write it down somewhere. Maybe you can just write it down somewhere and I'll just guess ठीक होगा otherwise कोई बात नहीं.
ठीक
Miracle
है
can
हम
happen some other time.
ओके 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 ठीक है ओके लेट्स ट्राई इट so what we shall do we will meditate for 30 seconds a minute we will breathe in and breathe out breathe in and breathe out and we can just keep our eyes closed and then we will try to have that number transferred okay even you can chant mantra like om like anything just relax just you need to empty your mind your thoughts that's all you need just focus on your breath. Okay, so I have uh, put a number inside it. Let's see. Okay, so I will try to send you that number. Okay, and you need to imagine that number has been transferred. Okay, and try to visualize here the number and try to receive that number. Okay, I am sending you that number. Receive it. When I'm speaking that number to you in your ear, feel that that voice. You know, take your time to decipher the symbols or maybe the objects, the number. You can feel it.
Is it between
One to
1 and 10?
yeah, yes.
1 to 10. 10 भी हो सकता है?
It's 1 to 9. Again, we are
1
trying
to
to have
9.
it, keep it simple.
Okay. So,
So to feel the number,
so
sometimes you need to feel the number, like you are feeling here. Sometimes the number can comes in a form of an object, like a circle. Circle denotes the number. Sometimes it would be in a
so
form
what does
of
a circle mean? What
circle
number is
means
circle?
it can be zero. The circle has different shapes, like something else. Circle is has one more circle. It can be the eight. Again, the symbols come to you. If you see a chair.
Is it 1? Is it 1?
Oh no, it's not one. If you see this line, it means the number has uh, one shape of
So is it
eight
9?
keys. No, it's not nine. You need to just
Okay.
feel it. Again, sometimes we need to feel the number, and it will come to you. Okay, and you have to feel. Okay, this is the number. Okay, like you feel
So,
it.
when it started, I'll tell you how the journey started. Even before you must have written, number 2 was there. I was like, I was feeling it's gonna be number 2. Then it changed into number 7. Okay.
Yes, yes,
So, so number 7.
yes.
Yeah, so number 7, I was like very, very strong.
Earlier,
And
I was thinking of a different number, like one, two, three. No, 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 let me change it to number seven. Then I moved here and find a paper. Uh,
you were thinking of
Again,
which number first?
uh, like from one to five, I was thinking
Any number from 1 to 3.
four.
4? Really?
Yeah.
So I would have just said 4.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Really?
have written two numbers. I have written two numbers,
7 and 4.
four
This is
and seven.
a miracle.
Yeah, I felt earlier I have one number. Then I thought, no, it might be two numbers. I don't know why I had this thought. Let me put
And
seven, and this is seven and four. Baki,
I
it has
swear upon
nothing.
anyone, these were the two numbers in my mind.
Oh my God.
But it's
So
only
again,
afterwards I saw a circle actually afterwards, last part.
sometimes,
So I
sometimes you see a Trishul, which means number three.
so your friend author Mohit Chawla is saying a hello. Let's say a hello to him.
Hi, Mohit. He has his birthday on 12th. So,
Okay.
and it's 11, 11. See the number 11, 11. Sometimes you see
It's
these
already
uh, miracles like 11, 11. It's a number. It's a symbol. So Mohit, you have a birthday on 12th. So a lot of love and success to you. Your book
okay.
free on 12th. So definitely you will have it. So I
So
think yeah.
so lovely having this talk. I think this is one of those talks, those conversations which are not going to end because miracles don't end, and we as human beings love to talk about the miracles of those extraordinary things that had been happening in our life, and that those we want to have it in our life. So this is not gonna end, but I think it's time now to say goodbye and to say that we're gonna meet soon again over some different topic. Very interesting one. To see you, everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you,
Thank
Rahul,
you.
for being here.
Thank you. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
the invitation.
Thank
Thank you.
you.